This is a real attacker running a real botnet. But watch how he does it. He doesn't write code. He opens Google's Gemini command line tool, the open source AI agent, and just talks to it. Which machines are online? List the files on that computer. Generate me an infection link. And the AI does it. Across 200 sessions, it troubleshot his attacks on the fly and suggested its own improvements at least 59 times. Trend Micro caught it. The hacker wasn't the operator. The AI was. And one thing straight away, because it matters, this is not a flaw in Gemini and Google didn't get hacked. The attacker took an open source AI tool, jailbroke it locally with his own prompt, and pointed it at his victims. The story isn't that the tool is broken. It's that a not very skilled criminal, with an AI co-pilot, punches way above his weight. Here's what that bought him. Working with the AI, he built and ran infrastructure that controlled 8 systems inside a dental clinic and got access to its open dental database, the system that holds the practice's patient records. Not a lab, not a demo, a small business quietly and completely owned, with an AI doing the hands-on work. Clearest example. At one point, he needed to move his command and control server, the machine that runs the botnet. A normally fiddly technical job. He typed one instruction, study the C2 migration. The AI read his guide and then handled everything, the architecture, the code, spinning up a new server, configuring Cloudflare, and the initial debugging. Total time? 6 minutes. After that, he ran the whole botnet in plain English. And the setup was almost insultingly small. The entire botnet lived in 3 plaintext files, about 5 kilobytes total. One was the jailbreak prompt to unlock the AI. One was the command and control playbook, infection, persistence, troubleshooting. And one was the migration guide. The server itself was a little in-memory Python script, with infected Windows machines phoning home every 5 seconds. The AI turned a handful of text notes into a working operation. But before anyone panics about AI superhackers, look closer. Trend Micro said the malware itself was unsophisticated. No obfuscation, no packing, no evasion. The AI didn't invent scary new tools. It just made an unskilled operator efficient. And it wasn't even reliable. He also had it analyze stolen password vaults to find new ways in, and that part failed because the operation dragged on long enough that the AI lost track of the plot. Forgot what it was doing. That's the real state of things. Fast and helpful, but forgetful and shallow. And this isn't a one-off. The same week, Palo Alto's Unit 42 documented Tuxbot, an Internet of Things botnet built with heavy AI help. And here's the tell. The AI generated the malware, but it also left a little safety disclaimer in the code, and the developer forgot to delete it before shipping. Several of its functions were even broken because nobody bothered to review what the AI wrote. 2 different crews, same pattern. AI doing the heavy lifting, humans barely checking its work. So what's the takeaway? It's the same shift we keep seeing. AI doesn't hand criminals new superpowers. It lowers the barrier so more people can run capable attacks faster. That's genuinely bad. But the flip side is the defense. Because the AI leans on basic, noisy tooling, it's detectable. Windows machines beaconing out every 5 seconds, scheduled task persistence, plain PowerShell, those are things a decent security setup catches. The operator got an upgrade. The fundamentals didn't change. Watch your endpoints and protect your credentials. When the botnet operator is just a guy typing please and thank you to a chatbot, the game has changed, but not the way you think. If you want the AI security world decoded every week, subscribe. Go on, hit subscribe.